Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 13 to 19, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private reading, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo. 25% discount sa ating tarot reading services from May 2 hanggang May 15, 2024. So, merong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Taurus, let's see. This is your overall energy, your challenge, your opportunity, and your blessing. Okay. So, overall energy nyo, the Lovers. So, you may be making a decision, no? Pwedeng decision sa relationship, decision sa career mo. This is about your commitment kasi. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are deciding whether papasok ka sa isang commitment or aalis ka sa isang commitment. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa. Clarify natin. What is the Lovers? The Star. Okay, it seems na meron kang mga gustong i-pursue sa buhay ngayon na nangangailangan ng commitment mo talaga. Kasi minsan meron tayong mga pangarap, no? Goal sa buhay. Pero ang tanong, gaano ka ka-committed para makuha mo yung goal mo na yon? 'Di ba? Let's say gusto mong pumayat. Siyempre, kailangan may actions ka dyan. Yung iyong pag-exercise or meron kang ifa-follow na diet plan. Kung ito ba ay calorie deficit, fasting, etc. So, your commitment will be tested. Okay? So, kung talagang magiging committed ka, makukuha mo yung goal mo. Okay? Whatever that is. So, your challenge is the Page of Pentacles. Ang challenge sa'yo, paano ka magsisimula? So, maaring ayan na eh. Yung iba sa inyo, kinukondisyon nyo na yung isip nyo. Pero, yung pagsisimula, minsan kasi laging, day 1 ngayon, tapos biglang di mo na control, bukas na lang yung day 1, hanggang sa, inabot ka na ng 1 buwan, hindi ka pa rin nagsisimula. What is the Page of Pentacles? Three of Swords. So, kung hindi mo sisimulan yan, hindi mo talaga makukuha yon. You will just be disappointed by the results. Kasi yung resulta niyan ay hindi pabor sa'yo dahil pwedeng hindi ka talaga nagtitake ng action about your goals, about your dreams, about what you really want in life. Okay? So, your opportunity is the Strength card. Ibig sabihin niyan, meron kang sapat na lakas, kakayanan, lakas ng loob, no? Confidence para gawin yung dapat mong gawin. Minsan lang talaga parang nisip natin, hindi ko kaya. Actually, kaya mo. Hindi mo lang talaga ginagawa or parang nagpapadala ka doon sa temptation na, ito kasi yan eh. Mas ipiliin mo kung saan ka masasaya. Oo. Minsan kasi talaga, kung saan tayo masaya, minsan hindi nakakabuti sa atin yun eh. Kasi nga, pwedeng panandali ang saya siya, pero ang long-term effect niya is hindi makakabuti sa'yo. But you can do it. You have the 3 of Cups. Para sinasabi rito na the moment na you commit yourself, definitely there's success. The moment na maglakas loob ka, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, magtiwala ka sa kakayanan mo, magiging successful ka. There is something that you will be celebrating. The moment that you trust yourself na kaya mo at the moment na gawin mo. And your blessing is the 2 of Swords. So, anytime soon, makakapag-decide ka what's best for you. Mm-mm. With the King of Cups, maaring there is someone who's going to support you, no? Uh, i-inspire ka, no? May-inspire ka dito sa taong to. Can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, na suportado ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo para ma-achieve mo, na alam mong makakabuti sa'yo. Mm-mm. Can be your anything, can be your goals, your dreams, like sa pangarap mo sa buhay mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. Ang importante lang dito is you know what you want. Alam mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo. Minsan kasi pabago-bago ng isip. So, kung ano yung gusto mo, focus on that and do whatever it takes to make it happen. Kumbaga nandun yung iyong disiplina. Let's see your money, career, finances, energies. Money, career, finances for Taurus. You have the Knight of Cups. I see some good news, no? Pagdating sa business or career, pwedeng may offer sa'yo abroad, to work abroad, or to work to a different department, different company. With the Seven of Wands, parang yung mismong pagbabago, hindi ka ganun ka-open, no? Maaring may offer, pero hindi mo gusto yung offer. 'Di ba? Pwede rin ganun, na okay, offer sa'yo, malaking sweldo, pero kailangan lumipat ka ng bahay or malayo ka muna sa pamilya mo. Which is mahirap, 'di ba? Support. Someone is supporting you sa mga pangarap mo. Alam nyo, yung inyong sakripisyo, mare-reward yan. Wala namang madali eh. Self-made. You have an opportunity doing things on your own. Meron ka raw na projects na nagawa mo, no? Na naging dahilan para maging independent ka. So, financial freedom. So, if there is an opportunity for you na mas mag-grow ka sa career mo, sa business mo, sa investments mo, and there is someone helping you, may support ka na nakukuha, then go for it, no? Oo. Kumbaga, yan eh, may assistance na nga eh. Kumbaga, may assistance ka na dyan eh. All you have to do is to do the work. Kasi rewarding naman yan for you in the end. Kumbaga, worth it naman siya. So, your love life and family, you have the King of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Empress. So, I see a lot of, mga interested sa'yo, pwedeng mga nagpaparamdam sa'yo. If you are single, merong nagkakaroon ng interest. Admirers. But it seems na if you're single, pwedeng hindi ka muna open sa commitment, sa relationship. You want to focus more on your commitment sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? You are still healing from your past. Maari kasing ayaw mo nang mangyari ulit yung hindi pantay na effort sa relationship. And you want someone who is like your soulmate, someone na meron kang intense connection. Hindi yung mga lang, basta na lang. So, very careful ka rin sa relationship. You are focused on taking care of yourself. Kung meron ka namang relationship ngayon, possible na iba sa inyo naguguluhan kasi hindi nyo nakikita yung ine-expect nyo sa person nyo. Ease. Today, I allow life to be easy. Yes. Huwag mo masyadong i-pressure yung sarili mo. Although, alam mo pa rin yung gusto mong gawin. But at the same time, don't put too much pressure on you. Focus on your goal one step at a time. Kung ano yung kaya mo. At your own pace. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yes. So, some of you are healing from your past, mas ina-acknowledge nyo yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon. At kesa dati na hindi nyo pinapansin. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!